Hi, this is Rob at EdgeStocks.com. Thank you for joining me for our report for March 30th, 2010. Our view for the overall market this week is up, and we did start to see today, being Monday, the market starting to move in that direction. I just have a handful of stocks, about 5 of them today. We have updated quite a few stocks, had closed their positions either over the weekend or today on the close, and we are updating that. So you can take a look at that. As I had mentioned previously, it's very important to time the overall market with your buys and sells, because they have a very large impact on the end result that you get. And this most recent period is a good example of that. We had been saying that we expected the market to be down last week, and of course this performance over the last week has been, I think, if you look at the closed positions, probably somewhere around down 1%. So, as I've said, when you can line up the overall market with these plays, you can get some real significant winners. For example, I closed out one recently here. I think I closed it out this morning. It was on the CycleVision program. It was supposed to be closed out a couple of days ago, but symbol HNR. And I closed that out for about a 26% gain, and we entered that on March 9th during a bull period. So if you select your choices wisely during periods where we are calling for an overall up cycle in the market, you can get substantial gains in a short period of time. Our first stock for today, symbol AIB, Allied Irish Banks. Looks like this one has just gotten hammered today, down around 18 or 19%. It looks like this is a very low price stock, very high volume today. Looks like about close to 3.5 or 4 times normal volume today. So this stock has come down at or around the 20-period moving average. We do have an upcycle on it. Would be somewhat of a speculative play, but might be fun for a low-price stock to get a handle on that. The trade lasts just under a month, and we're looking for an average trade of about 7%, which on a $3.50 stock is not a whole heck of a lot of price movement. Just a covering of that gap will be substantially more than that. The next symbol, FUL, Fuller Brush Company. This stock has been in an uptrend since early February, and had recently consolidated, playing with the 20-period moving average, and is heading higher here. We have a buy on that tomorrow, and historically about a 7.5% return. The drawdowns are a little high today on the selections. That what I'm seeing, I didn't see any stocks in this group that stood out over any others, but the risk profile on these is a little higher than usual. So you might want to take that into consideration. But Fuller does look poised to move higher here. To get 7% out of this stock, it's a $23 stock. We need a move of about $1.61, and that would require us to go up and probably play with a new high. So take that into technical consideration on your allocation. Next symbol, RTI. This is a metals stock, and as I had mentioned, metals is a good area to be in right now. We're seeing that sector going overall as a sector to be getting into, and this trade lasts about 3 weeks, looking for about a 6% return on that as it plays with new highs on volume that's probably around 2 times average. Next symbol, HTLD. Heartland Express is a trucking company. Had a pretty strong update today after recently consolidating. I would have preferred to have gotten this down in this area where our 20-period moving averages are, but it is heading higher. We're looking for about a 10% return historically on that. and so the trucking sector, I don't remember having seen a lot come up in the trucking sector, but in the current period. But this stock is looking like a halfway decent play. Another thing that happened, if you look at a lot of the stocks, if you look at the charts for the stocks, starting when we said the market would start heading down around the 18th, 19th, right in there, a lot of those stocks, if you look at them, would have been purchased at or around their highs. And this is one of the reasons why I personally don't like to buy stocks around their highs. You can get caught in these stellar winners doing that. But a good percentage of the time you also get nailed as they pull back from the new highs. So I usually really like to see buying around these moving averages. We are gearing up right now to increase the backtesting capability on the CycleVision program, and we're talking to our programmers about getting this coded up, and that will, in the coming weeks, or maybe a month or so, we should have substantially improved backtesting capability that will enable us to hone in on some better picks. Last symbol of the day, Honeywell International. Of course, Honeywell is a great company. It's been around for forever. And this stock has seen nothing but upside since early March. And CycleVision has it continuing on higher, about 10%. That would take it up to about the $50 level. Again, this stock not seeing really any pullbacks to speak of, and so either you buy it up in here and hope to ride it higher, or you wait for a dip. But it doesn't look like this stock's going to be doing a whole lot of dips if it continues. Now, we are moving into April, and as I had a conversation with Vadim earlier, April is one of the most volatile months of the year, and so we should see some opportunities to get some big plays in April. I'm hoping to see that as it unfolds. So we've updated for a lot of stocks. As I mentioned, you will see some of them as being down. Again, stressing the importance of timing the overall purchases with the market as a whole. This week we are seeing it up, and I think, if I'm seeing it correctly, today being the 29th, should see the market up into the end of the week, and then probably we'll start seeing it moving down next week. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Of course, I will keep you posted as I get more information on that. So that's what I have for today. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.